You ready, Char? Okay, guys, I literally rushed to the studio so I could unbox this product. It is so cool. I've known of this product for so long. I've always wanted one. Here's the problem. These things are like limited edition. So once they're made, there's no more. You're gonna see why. Some people buy them just to resell them on like eBay and charge like 4 times the price, which at that point isn't even affordable. Finally was able to get my hands on the newest edition. This is the 4th edition, the Mini Museum. By the way, I didn't say this. What's up, everybody? Special day. Finally, it is warm enough outside for me to wear my Danocracy Diamond Club bomber jackets. You guys can still get these. I actually have them over here. You guys can check the link in the description down below. It'll take you right there. Inside of this, the Mini Museum. It's by a company called Hans Fex. I think it's the guy's name, I don't know. They shipped this to Dan Rondo. There's a Dan Rondo out there. I'm opening your mail. Oh my goodness. Here it is. We have a white box. Here it is, guys. Freaking, this is the Mini Museum. This is so cool. Just wait, okay? In here's Mini Museum. Let's see what's inside this white box first. Okay, so we have a little stand. It comes with these little strips. There's yellow, blue, and red that you just kind of like pop in. The Mini Museum. There's a ton of rare like specimen in here. Literally don't know the last time I used the word specimen. Oh baby! Certificate of authenticity here. Definitely want to keep this because this authenticates everything that is in here and the actual unit itself. Here has a book. I'm not sure. Genius! Genius! This company is so smart. They send you a little book, and inside this book, it talks about all the specimen, how they obtained it, where it came from, what it means. We're gonna go into this shortly. God, this is so cool! This is so cool. It hurts my brain. Comes in this little felt bag. This is way smaller than I thought it was gonna look. Oh my God, this is so cool. Now, you guys will have a tough time seeing it right now from this angle. I'm gonna show you guys these at a closer angle. Months ago, I did a video on this 1,000 times microscope. Honest to God, I never thought I'd use this ever again because you look at your pores, you look at your skin, and you're like, I'm a disgusting animal. For those of you who have not seen that video, I'm gonna show you quickly what this thing does. We're gonna do the back of my hand here. Ew, like look at this. I had a shower, I swear to God, I had a shower this morning with soap, and it still looks like I've been rolling around in dust. Like, let me go with my knuckle. Look at all the, oh, yo, that is disgusting. It is dry season here in Canada, trust me. Oh my God, look at all that dead skin. Oh my God, that's disgusting. Guys, I swear to God, it's dry season. Whoa, look at my beard hair. That's crazy. We are gonna use this to get closer up shots of the specimen that's inside of the Mini Museum. Inside one of these Mini Museum squares is 29 rare specimen from history. So we have extraterrestrial amino acids, 4 trillion years old. It does sound like something inside of like a ET snack. Okay, so apparently, hold on. What? We're only at number 1 and I'm like confused as shit. This apparently is the nitrogen in our DNA. The calcium in our teeth were made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff. I don't know, that did not land with me at all. Basically, it's saying of all meteorites, one of the rarest of the rare is extraterrestrial amino acids. Next up, lunar highlands, 3.2 trillion years old. Apparently there's volcanoes on the moon, and this is from the volcano. So lunar, moon, highlands, volcano. That's a piece of moon, man. Wow. Yeah, right. There's a piece of moon. That's sick. Okay, next up we have copper crystals, which is 300 billion years old. This form of copper also played an important role in the development of human cultures. I don't know what that means, man. It's cool.
Don't know what it means.
The Great Dying. This is 252 million years old. Nothing quite compares to the Permian Triassic extinction event known as the Great Dying. This might have been what killed off the dinosaurs. It is! The Great Dying killed 95% of all life. Whoa! This little bastard is responsible for killing off dinosaurs. Holy shit, man, this is crazy. Okay, next one is Pangea. This apparently is 200 million years old. So it just looks like it's a piece of the rock when Pangea broke off. Dinosaur food, 280 million years old. It's weird having dinosaur food just underneath the Great Dying. The thing that killed all of those that ate it. A plesiosaur. Oh, it's a dinosaur. Holy shit. This looks like it's 200 million years old. Next up we have raptor bone. Super cool. It's 167 million years old. Next we got a mega croc. This is 112 million years old. It was an enormous crocodile-like aquatic reptile that dominated freshwater rivers and lakes in the middle of the Jurassic period. Saber-toothed tiger. bone, which is 1.6 million years old. The giant beaver, 3 million years old. Oh, it's his tooth, sorry, the giant beaver tooth. Doggerland mammoth tooth, so this is 10,000 BCE, before Christ's economy. Elephant bird, eggshell, literally sounds like something of a nightmare. It was the largest member of an extinct family of flightless birds native to the island of Madagascar. Some individuals stood nearly 10 feet tall and weighed upwards to 1,100 pounds. The eggs weighed 22 pounds. This is a piece of the eggshell. There's also a vial of the Amazon River. To age water is pretty impossible. Next, Stonehenge. Literally a piece of Stonehenge. Mummy beads. First millennium BCE. Again, don't know what that is. Mummy beads. Imagine they're like mummy anal beads. The beads were acquired from the former collection of Simon Ohan Simonian. Guys, a lot of these are from people's actual collections. Next, a Roman bath. It was purchased from a private dealer. A knight's sword. Yeah, right. We have a piece of the knight's sword in here. Late 13th century knight's sword. Fragment of a knight's sword dating to the late 13th, early 14th century. For the last 200 years, the sword was held in a private family collection in France until recently acquired by a private dealer of antique arms in the United Kingdom. Aztec Empire Obsidian tool, 15th century. Lusitania, one of the fastest vessels of its era. It's a deck chair. Piece of the deck chair. Briefly, it was the world's largest ship, the luxurious RMS Lusitania. This comes from an oak deck chair which once graced the decks of the RMS Lusitania. It was held on public display for decades. Okay, so this was bought at an auction. Winston Churchill's fur muff. This specimen in the mini museum is a section of a faux leopard skin hand muff used for many years by Winston Churchill. Churchill was known to suffer from poor circulation in his later years and often made use of a muff to keep his hands warm. This muff was purchased at an auction in 2016 from Christie's of London. That is legitimately Winston Churchill's fur muff. Piece of the Hollywood sign. This specimen is a two-piece fragment of the original Hollywood sign, salvaged during the 1978 reconstruction. It was acquired from the private collector of a retired Los Angeles sound engineer. Next up, the Manhattan Project Shield Window. The Manhattan Project was the code name for the research and development effort which allowed the United States to rapidly develop a series of atomic breakthroughs during World War II. Next, we have a piece of the White House. It's a piece of brick from the White House, which oddly enough, it's not even white. We have Muhammad Ali's punching bag. Oh man, that is so cool. It talks about Muhammad Ali. Obviously, he was a legend in boxing. This specimen in the mini museum comes from a punching bag formerly used by Muhammad Ali. The bag was gifted to longtime Louisville sports radio personality and friend of Muhammad Ali, John Ramsey, and later purchased at an auction by Mini Museum. The Concorde jet rotor. It was part of an aircraft. Twice the speed of sound. The plane went like crazy fast and was crazy expensive. Rough sapphire. And our last two, the first space shuttle. Columbia flown tile. On April 12, 1981, the Space Shuttle Columbia roared to life on the pad of the Kennedy Space Center's historic launch complex. Columbia was lost when the craft disintegrated due to an undetected puncture in the wing, which occurred during liftoff but did not present a problem until re-entering the atmosphere on February 1st, 2003. Both tragedies claimed the lives of their respective crews. Oh my god! And last but not least, we have a piece of a human heart. This specimen in the mini museum is a human heart recovered from a 74-year-old woman who passed away due to non-cardiac related natural causes. The heart was prepared by a laboratory which uses plastination techniques to preserve human tissue. The heart was considered unusable for most technical purposes due to a mishap during preparation. Oh my god, we have a piece of a human heart in here. Holy that's disgusting. This might actually be one of the top 10 coolest things I actually own, to be honest with you. Great gift, man. If you have somebody that loves science or history or you just love rare things like this, it comes with a book that tells you what the item actually is, the significance of it, and where they actually got it from. There you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. You can follow me on Instagram @Danocracy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.